What is it? It's called a Yemyhom.
Find the 2 labels and tuck, that's it. So I have no idea.
It looks like you just kind of like a fitted sheet. You put it right over.
That's the back.
So we bought these slip covers off of Amazon, and the reason we bought them is because we needed to dye the original covers that went on these Ikea couches. And when we did, we had a little problem. So we're waiting to get the new covers, and in the interim, we're going to use this slip cover to cover everything on these couches. So hopefully it's going to work. I had my doubts at first, but as we went along, it started to really fit the couch very well. So this appeared to be a pretty viable solution to our problem in the short term. All right, so they give you 6 of these styrofoam tube-like deals, and you've got to put them in all the creases, and hopefully that will hold that crease in there, and that's what we're doing right there.
The finished product.
No.
Pretty awesome, huh?
Put that anywhere yet.
Oh, wait a minute. We got more pillows. More throw pillows. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos where we do stuff at home on the cheap. Peace out.